my name is Miss Wilson, and I'm very excited to be your or your child's physical education teacher. Here at Fishers Elementary, third grade is full of fun, especially in gym class. Physical education is very important, especially for elementary age students, as it promotes learning and cognitive functioning. My goal is that through gym class, our students will be able to focus better and perform better through all of their classwork. I will make it a priority to teach my students quality PE because quality PE educates the child as a whole and really will help them to have a sound mind throughout the rest of the day. My final goal is to teach these children great physical education and that they will have so much fun with learning that moving the recommended 60 minutes a day will come with ease and will be something that they actually look forward to do throughout their day. I'm very excited for this year ahead of us and for all that we have to learn about each other, and I'm so excited to meet all of you. Thank you.